Morning students. In chapter 6 political party of SWIX, today we'll discuss the topic is remaining national political parties. Already we have discussed three national political parties: INC, Indian National Congress Party, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, BSP, Bahujan Samaj Party. Today we discuss about the fourth party, CPI, Communist Party of India. This party was formed in 1925 on 26th of December. So it was founded on 26th of December 1925, and this party believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism and democracy. The ideology of Karl Marx and Lenin are known as Marxism and Leninism respectively. Secularism means all religions are treated equally, and democracy means rules of the people. So this party follow the principles of Marxism, Leninism, secularism and democracy, and it opposed the successionism and communalism. These principles are opposed by the Communist Party of India. Communalism means when we think that one religion is superior to the others. Successionism, when the powers and posts are transferred from one generation to the another generation. So these are opposed by the CPI. This party accept the parliamentary democracy. This party always accept parliamentary democracy because according to this party, the parliamentary democracy is a means of promoting the interest of working class, farmers and poor. ये पार्टी ऐसा कहती है कि यदि हमें वर्किंग क्लास, फार्मर्स और पुअर्स के इंटरेस्ट को, उनके जिनसे जुड़े हुए मुद्दों को उठाना है, उनके लिए अच्छा भलाई के लिए काम करना है, सो उसके लिए पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी एक अच्छा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर सकती है. दिस पार्टी, द CPI पार्टी, गॉट स्प्लिट इन 1964 एंड इस पार्टी से अलग होकर नई पार्टी बनी CPIM. The election symbol of this party is sickle and crops. This party has support base mainly in Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. इन states में ये पार्टी ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. In the elections of 2004, this party got the votes of only 1.4%, but this party get the 10 seats. In 2014 elections, this party got only 0.78% of votes and only 1 seats. In 2019, this party get the only 2 seats. So gradually the support of this party is declining. Next is CPIM, the Communist Party of India Marxist, CPIM. This party was formed in 1964 after split from CPI. This same as CPI, this party also believes in Marxism and Leninism. And this party always support socialism, secularism and democracy. Democracy, rule of the people. All religions are treated equally. Secularism, socialism, in society all peoples are equal, and in society we are promoting the equality. Equal rights are given to all the sections of society, and it opposes the imperialism and communalism. These principles are opposed by CPIM. This party accept the democratic elections. CPI accept the parliamentary system, and this party accept the democratic elections. And this party say that democratic elections are useful because they are useful and helpful means. Elections are useful and helpful means for securing the objective of सोशियो जस्टिस इन इंडिया. यदि इंडिया में सोशियो इकोनॉमिक जस्टिस लेके आना है, इस ऑब्जेक्टिव को हमें गेन करना है, देन वी हैव टू बी अडॉप्ट द डेमोक्रेटिक इलेक्शंस. दैट्स व्हाई दिस पार्टी सपोर्ट द डेमोक्रेटिक इलेक्शंस. What is the support base of this party? Mainly CPIM party is more famous in more popular in West Bengal, Kerala, Tripura, and mainly among the working class, farmers and laborers. These peoples mainly favor the CPIM party. That's why this party was able to form the government for 30 years in West Bengal continuously. This party criticized the new economic policies. हमेशा न्यू इकोनॉमिक ऐसी पॉलिसीज को पार्टी क्रिटिसाइज करती है, ऐसी इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज जो फॉरेन कंट्रीज के फ्री फ्लो को अलाउ करता है, उनके फॉरेन गुड्स को कंट्री में अलाउ करता है, ऐसी इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज को ये पार्टी हमेशा क्रिटिसाइज करती है. इन द इलेक्शंस ऑफ 2004 दिस पार्टी वॉन द 6% ऑफ वोट्स एंड 43 सीट्स. दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज कंसिडर्ड एज द नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. बट 2014 9 सीट्स and votes were only 3.28%. Its symbol is hammer and sickle and star. So this party also play a very important role. Both CPI and CPIM party were the part of UPA government in 1919 and 2000. In 2004 and 2009. When Congress party formed the government in the alliance of UPA, CPI and CPIM support the Congress party in that alliance and were the part of the government also. Next is NCP, Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. This party was formed in 1919. Its election symbol is alarm clock. And this party was formed after split from the Congress party under the leadership of Sharad Pawar. It believes in democracy, Gandhian secularism, equality, social justice and federalism. More than one level of government is federalism, social justice, all peoples are having equal opportunities, all communities having equal opportunities. Secularism, all regions are treated equally. Gandhian philosophy regarding secularism and democracy, all these philosophies are followed by the Nationalist Congress Party. This party has support base in mainly in Maharashtra, in Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. And presently this party is a part of the alliance of the government in Maharashtra, which is led by the Shiv Sena. This party wants that high offices in the government will be confined to natural born citizen of the country. जो लोग जिनका नेचुरली इंडिया में इंडिया में जिनका लोग जन्म हुआ है, उन लोगों को इंडिया की हाई जो पोस्टेड जॉब्स हैं, हाई वैल्यूड जो जॉब्स हैं, वो इंडियन बॉर्न सिटीजन्स को मिलनी चाहिए. ऐसा इस पार्टी का मेन बिलीव्स है. इट वाज ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ 2004 एंड ऑफ द यूपीए गवर्नमेंट विच वाज लेड बाय कांग्रेस. लास्ट वन इज टीएमसी एंड एआईटीसी. कुछ बुक्स के अंदर सिर्फ यही पार्टी दी है 6 पार्टीज, बट जो न्यू एडिशन की बुक्स उनमें एआईटीसी को भी नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज में डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. टीएमसी और एआईटीसी. एआईटीसी मीन्स ऑल इंडिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस एंड शॉर्ट फॉर्म इज टीएमसी ऑल्सो. दिस पार्टी वॉज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द 1st of January 1998 and its present chairperson and its founder was Mamata Banerjee. Its ideology is anti-communism, democratic and socialism. These ideologies are upheld by the All India Trinamool Congress Party. This party has support bases mainly in West Bengal, and presently this party is ruling in the West Bengal. Its election symbol is flower and mainly the जोरा घास फूल. एक फ्लावर है जिससे जोरा घास का फ्लावर होता है, दैट इज नोन एज जोरा घास फूल इज द इलेक्शन सिंबल ऑफ दिस पार्टी. इन द प्रेजेंट लास्ट इलेक्शंस आल्सो दिस पार्टी एबल टू विन द सीट्स, लोकसभा सीट्स मोर देन 10. सो स्टिल दिस पार्टी इज ए नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड द रिमेनिंग नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल CPI, then CPIM, then NCP, and last All India Trinamool Congress. These 4 parties discussed by us today. That's all for today, students.